It's flying high, man.
The counties to the north of that, then San Jacinto and so forth, it'll start veering a little bit more to the northeast, and then it's going to catch a trough that's consistent place moving in our area, and it's going to take off.
Dude, we can do it.
Be middle of the country by this time.
Dude, it gets at least 5-6 foot down there, man.
We will check back with you in a little while to get that update. Thank you, Cactus. Thank you, Ken Brown. Bye-bye.
Water's over the road right here.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Yeah, get a shot of the playground for sure, because my son comes to play. Jesus Christ. That bridge, it's right there, ain't even there. You can see the handrail.
Yeah. Oops, shouldn't have parked there. Bad idea. Oh, there's one guy that's smart. He parked his truck up on the hill.
That's till the barges floating.
Here is I-10 and it's 5:10 p.m. September 12th. Storm hasn't even hit yet. I think I-10's going to have water rolling. Oh, it's pretty bad down here in Channelview already. Storm hasn't hit yet. These people's yards already.
Dude, it's already up around that house.
Yeah.
That house has got an inch of water in it.
The house is boarded up. It's boarded up, but it's already got water up in it. That Toyota shouldn't be stuck.
No, he should be.
Toyota Honda or Tacoma with a boat on it. Maybe unload the boat. It's gonna go out in the river. Pretty crazy. Pretty bad. These people are partying.
That's insane, dude.
Yeah. So, 5:15 p.m. September 12th. Things are flooded pretty bad already, and the storm's not here yet. Just imagine what it's going to be like after the storm gets here. Pretty bad. Pretty